Thank you for joining us on the Eazybot corporate update call. Today is Monday, May 16th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Welcome to everyone here in the world. We have David on the call, and we also have Peter. We're trying to see who else is going to be joining us today. And then we'll give you all the updates that we have. So David, are you available at this time?
I am. Good afternoon. So it's Monday 12 noon here on the East Coast of the US. It's a good day to be in the world of crypto. Last week was rough. Last couple of weeks have been rough. And it's exactly why we're here. It's exactly, it is this moment, the moments that we just lived through that is really the genesis of why Eazybot exists. And so to live through it and to experience how Eazybot has handled itself as a solution to this very problem has been an exciting thing. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, then you missed it. So let me catch you up to speed. We did something really amazing on Friday. And hopefully if you're on this call, you caught that call or you've seen the notification in your back office. But we had an amazing call. Mohammed, our CEO, Mohammed, spent some time with us on Friday, and again on Saturday with our Spanish-speaking community, and went through the performance of Eazybot in the last couple of weeks. Looked at a live account and answered a number of questions about how Eazybot has performed and how it's managed navigating some of these really volatile moments in the last couple of weeks. We looked at a particular coin in an account that is 71, has dropped 71% since it started trading about 5 weeks ago. 71% drop, and Eazybot is still trading, opening and closing and making profits in that account. So guys, if you haven't seen that, that recording, I strongly recommend that you take some time, go through that call. It's about an hour long, but in the first 20 minutes or so, you'll get the picture, you'll see the story. And then if you hang out, you'll get some additional insights through the Q&A. So fantastic, guys. Obviously nobody hopes for the market to be down, and certainly we don't either. All of us would prefer the markets are up and our portfolios are growing. But for us, it was really a week of celebration because there was, incredible proof of concept that when the market does these crazy things like drop 50, 60, 70%, what happens to Eazybot? And of course, we got an opportunity to see that. And there was the Lunas of the world, which obviously we just can't do anything about. And so that also happened in the last week. Luna, for those of you who aren't super clear on what's going on in the world with Luna was one of the top cryptocurrencies. We actually had it in our portfolio available for members to trade. And for a number of reasons, it crashed, lost 99% of its value almost literally overnight. And many people think it's done. It's never coming back, and its attachment to its partner stablecoin UST has also crashed. And so this will be a story that will be told in the histories of telling crypto and the beginning days of crypto. Luna will be a story that will be told. It was a major event, and so we're living through it. We're witnessing it. So let me talk a little bit about a couple of things that we've done to address some of those issues with what we've seen in Luna. When we saw the effect of that coin going almost seemed like to zero, and it's pretty close to zero today, we stopped making Luna available to trade in Eazybot. I think Binance not long after stopped making it available for you to trade as well. So there wouldn't have been an option otherwise. So right now, Luna is not an option that you can select as a new coin to trade. If you are already trading Luna, Binance isn't going to trade it for you. So my recommendation is if there's something that you're holding in your Binance account in Luna, just leave it there, delete that bot, and then hope for the best. Maybe it rallies, but just let's move on. It's just one of those anomalies in the world of crypto that will happen from time to time. This is the inherent risk of being an investor. And so one of the things that we're in testing for right now, because it's brought a light to the industry on stablecoins. And of course, USDT has had some question around its stability. And it even was tested. Its own stability was tested last week, and USDT Tether dropped as low as 95 cents, which really is very concerning in the broader scheme of things. This stablecoin should be pegged to the US dollar, which means it really should never vary very far away from the US dollar, hence calling it stable. And so even a drop to 95 cents was a little bit of a concern, but it recovered very quickly. Nonetheless, there is some concern in the broader crypto industry about USDT. So we're aware of that. We are currently testing BUSD as an alternative stablecoin, not to move away from USDT, but to add as an option for users. So we're testing that this week, and look for more information on that coming. It's early in our testing phase. So again, just something that we're conscious of what's going on in the marketplace and looking for alternatives and solutions for you guys. So that's what's up. I saw Mohammed pop into the room. I want to defer to our CEO, Mohammed. If you had anything specific that you wanted to talk about, I don't want to ramble here. I want to give you the floor and let you jump in and share anything that's on your heart. All right, well, Mohammed may or may not be able to jump in with us. We're up to 85 people on the call. Good to see you guys. Welcome to our Eazybot Monday corporate update call. We're glad you're here. On this call, we're just going to go through some of the things that are happening, the most important things you need to know about what's happening in the world of Eazybot. There are a couple of big announcements. I just talked a little bit about something that's happening, what's happening in the world of crypto. Make sure you get you watch the video. The easiest way to access that video is just go into your back office, look for the notifications tab. You'll see a bell at the top of your dashboard, and click on that bell. And the last notification is a link to where you can see the replay from the video that Mohammed went through last week, where he shows you bot performance. A couple of things that you can look forward to coming in the very near future is we are launching KuCoin. Whoops, sorry, I hit my mute button. We are in the final phases of testing KuCoin. And so let me see if I could grab something to share here. So here's what KuCoin provides for us. Before I even go down the KuCoin road, let me say this, because I think we've had a few people that have been waiting on us to release Coinbase. And so we haven't talked about Coinbase for a while. Let me talk about Coinbase and where we stand as it pertains to Coinbase. If you have been following what's happening in crypto, one of the other big stories, potentially the biggest story of last week that caused so much of the volatility in the crypto markets, was this story from Coinbase that suggests that they may have to file bankruptcy, and as a result of having to file bankruptcy, that the funds that their users have in their crypto wallets in Coinbase may be at risk. Just think about that for a minute. It's almost surprising this isn't a bigger story than it is, but the major crypto exchange, Coinbase, basically saying they're not sure of their financial stability. So for that reason, amongst others, our development of Coinbase as an exchange partner has come to an indefinite pause. And the timing is perfect for us, because we are just around the corner from launching KuCoin. So we're excited about KuCoin because it's going to allow you guys, those of you who have not yet had access to trading, KuCoin will allow you to create an API, create an account without having to get ID verified, and create an API connection. And we can also do a trusted IP on KuCoin with our API. That trusted IP means simply that KuCoin will only execute trades that are authorized through the Eazybot platform. It keeps your account safe. That's what we just implemented for Binance.com and .us. So same thing for KuCoin. So we're really excited about that. That is coming. We're in the last few days of testing. Mohammed's been trading successfully in KuCoin. So look for more announcements coming. We don't have an exact date to tell you on a release just yet. We're pushing to get it out for you guys this week, and as soon as we have an exact date, we'll make that announcement. So that's Big news, Coinbase permanently or indefinitely on hold for the moment, but we are very excited to say that you can look forward to KuCoin. We'll have guides and updates ready for you guys this coming week so that when KuCoin is released, it's very easy to set up. There are a couple of different steps from what you're going to do with your Binance setup. So look for that guide to come out this week. All right, the other thing that happened over, and it's also an announcement in your notifications, but in the event that you haven't seen it, the other thing that you should be aware of is that all bots are now available per the subscription level. So for our free package members, you can now trade up to 2 bots. And for our advanced package members, you can now trade up to 10 bots. And our VIP package members can now trade all available coins. So very excited about that. Everybody's got complete, full access. Big deal here. And so we're want to make sure you guys who have been waiting to be able to trade some additional coins, additional bots, it is now available to you fully based on the package that you're subscribed to. All right, so those are the updates. Some of that stuff we've already talked about, but there is something that we haven't talked about. We did mention it on the Business Builders call. So we do a call every Saturday for our business builders. Those are the folks that are really focused on taking advantage of our affiliate rewards program. We are a product-driven company. We are absolutely in love with our product. We want to spend most of our time talking about our product, but we share our product with others through this amazing affiliate rewards program that rewards you for sharing the story of Eazybot. There's really no better story than the word of mouth and your own personal experience. And being able to reach out to folks and build a team, if that's what you choose to do. We have an amazing rewards program. And so we do that call every Saturday, specifically designed to inform, educate, inspire, motivate our affiliates who are out there sharing the story of Eazybot. So they got a sneak peek on Saturday of some big news. I'm going to see if Mohammed's able to come in. I want Mohammed to be able to share this story or this event, this decision that's been made that I think is going to be absolutely phenomenal for those of you as it pertains to Founders Club. For those of you who are already qualified for Founders Club and are working towards qualification, this one is for you. So before Mohammed comes in, just to give him a moment, couple of things pertaining to Founders Club. So Founders Club pre-qualification is going to come to an end at the end of May, because going into June, we will 100% for sure have KuCoin available for every member to trade. So everyone will have access to an exchange where they can trade the minimum required amount of $600. So look for that. Look for it as we go into June 1st for us to start displaying the total qualified members. So we're not currently displaying pre-qualified members, but we will start showing qualified members beginning in June. And Mohammed, if you're in a position, if you jump in and talk about the decisions that's been made as it pertains to Founders Club. Did we lose Mohammed?
Yes.
Oh, there you go. Okay, hey.
Okay,
come on in, tell them the good news.
Okay, so yeah, regarding the Founders Club, actually, we have, because there are some people who already got qualified, so we need to really incentivize those people who really took a step and really build their team and help us as a company to grow, to start rewarding those people. So, and since we're going to have KuCoin very soon available for everyone to trade, so anyone can trade and get fully qualified. Starting from end of June, to be specific, the first week of July, we're going to pay the Founders Club the commissions. And in end of June, beginning of July, we're going to pay actually not only for the month of June, we're going to pay all the previous month, like June and from March, because it starts from middle of March. So we have half of March, April, May, and June. So 3.5 months will be paid at once to all the qualified team members, all the qualified people to the Founders Club, regardless of the number. Even if there are just only one person qualified, still this person is going to get the whole 5% of the last 4 months. So this is a really good incentive to everyone here to start getting qualified. You have still 1 month to get qualified. You have KuCoin to trade with. You have Binance. You have Binance.us. you can get qualified very easily. Again, maybe David or Coach can go through the requirements for qualifications, but this is going to be, I think, a good chance for everyone to start really getting into the club and reserve the seat basically in the Founders Club. Yeah, this is the big news that we wanted to share today, because we didn't have actually a defined date for when we're going to complete the 1,000. Initially, we wanted actually to complete the 1,000 members first before we start trading, because we anticipated like 2 or 3 months for the people to get qualified. And but unfortunately, the exchanges were not in place. Now we have the exchanges in place, so we want to start rewarding the people. Build your team, get qualified for Founders Club, and you start getting paid by end of June, beginning of July to be precise.